mobile technologies. For this episode, I will show you how to use easy upload via QR in your Smartboard. First, when you open your Smartboard, it will appear this interface, and then just click on the More. Next step is search the apps called Easy Upload and click on it. It will generate your QR. When the QR is generated, you can scan it to upload files, text, and image. Now I already received an image, as you can see here. And also, you can see how many files uploaded here via QR. That's it. Bye!